Good morning, dears. Today, in our English class, we are going to listen to the grammar topic articles. Before you are going to listen to this topic, we have to remember the important thing. Okay? In English, we have totally 26 alphabet letters. Okay, how many alphabet letters? There are 26 alphabet letters. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. In that there are 5 letters which bring the sound A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Okay, what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Remaining alphabetical letters are consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, except these 5 vowel sounds, these are all called consonants. There are 3 articles are there in English. They are a, an, and the. Okay. In this, a and an are called as indefinite articles and the is called as definite articles. Indefinite articles a and an used to introduce a singular noun. Indefinite articles a and an used to introduce a singular noun. We already learnt about singular in our last class. Singular means only one thing. So the articles a and an is used to point out or used along with the only one noun. Noun means subject. Okay, naming word. And also a is used before a word that begins with a consonant. Okay, we already had seen what are consonants. So a is used before consonant sound. Okay, for example, a cow, a beetle, a deer, a pearl. So in all these example sentences words, the first letter of the word begins with the consonant sounds k, b, d, p. Okay. And an is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. Already we learned what are vowel sound. The vowel sounds are a, e, I, o, u. Okay. So an is used before the vowel sounded words. For example, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an auto, an umbrella. In this umbrella, okay, it is giving sound a, but it starts with u. Okay, so these are all begins with the vowel sounded letter. Example sentences are: this is an orange. Here O. Okay, the first letter of this word is O. This is an orange. This is a flower. Here first letter of the word flower is F. It indicates consonant. That is a stall. Here The first letter of the word stall is consonant. So we are using the article a. And also articles a and an are used to talk about a thing in general. Okay, generally what are the things we can indicate that things are along with the articles a and an. Then article the. Article the is used to introduce plural nouns. Plural is nothing but more than one thing. Okay, the noun which indicates more than one thing is plural. For example, pens, children, students, teachers, notebooks. Okay, the thing which is indicating more than one is plural form. For that we have to use the article the. And the article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time. That is about a particular thing. For example, that is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. The stall is particular stall. Okay, in that particular stall only that umbrella is available. Okay, so when we are talking about the same thing in a second time, we have to use the article the. Already in first sentence we used stall. Okay, so second time we are going to indicate, so that we are using the article the. For example, the bicycles, the erasers, the ostriches, the dolls. Okay. Dear children, again remember one thing. Article, there are three articles. They are a, an and the. Okay. Thank you, dears.